Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Here's a rare opportunity. Don't get to see this real often because it happens so quickly as it's traveling down the line. This is the rear framing that will go on before the rear cap goes on. So what you're looking at here is a welded aluminum construction. So we're not doing any gluing and screwing gussets. These are actual welds that you're looking at. This is part of our framing process that we do in every area of our walls, roof, front and rear cap. So what happens is this will go on in this area here, and interesting enough is we pay so much attention to our insulation even on our rear and our front caps. What you've got here is you've got a reflective barrier. This is kind of like a bubble wrap that acts as a reflective barrier from that radiant heat that wants to get in. Also, you've got a waterproof material called Darco. This gets glued on, and after this framing goes on in the rear, this gets flipped up and wrapped at the bottom portion of that frame. The purpose of that is, as you're traveling down the road, a lot of your spray from the water on the road, debris, anything that is flipping back is going to hit this area here, and this is going to cause a very nice protection to that rear area. Keep it from water, debris, things like that. So it's an extra protection that gets put before the rear cap is put on and after this framing gets put on. So a lot of things happen, a lot of technology, a lot of research that we have done. There are reasons why we do the things we do. These are good questions to ask when you give us a call. So hey, 844-284-6678. Ask us about our rear and front caps and how we insulate. Our factory reps are ready. They are very knowledgeable about our product. They are out here in the factory. We know our product because we are the factory. So it's easy for us to ask questions, to get educated about all of our processes. So don't be afraid to give us a call. Ask us some difficult questions about our build and how things are done. And you'll get some excellent answers. You'll even be invited out here. We don't keep anything from the public because we are directly related to you, the consumer. You can come in, you can take a tour, you can see how our luxury fifth wheels are built. So hey, give us a call. Schedule a tour, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com. And you can also make an appointment on our website to take a tour with us. Or if you're down in the Texas area, we have a Texas showroom where we have several units down there that you can take a look at and see the finished product. It's an unmanned site. We give you a code to get in the door. We take some information from you, and you're free to browse and take a look. Also, there's a little robot down there that you'll be greeted with if you like. So hey, let us know. We'll be glad to accommodate. Have an excellent day.